No, see, it doesn't even sound. What? What is going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and it's the same day as the video before the last. I mean, the video that I just uploaded before this one. It's actually the same day. So in the last video, you saw me put on my front lip, so I'll show you some clips of that right now. In this video, I'm just pretty much gonna install my rear diffuser. So I ordered a rear diffuser not too long ago. This is how it looks. Let me close this so you can get an idea. That's stock. I did take off the centerpiece already before I got here, and that's the diffuser over there. So what I used to clean, let me put you guys on right now, is motherless speed waterless wash and wax. This, I'm not even getting paid to say this, like come on bro, I have 80 subscribers. This is probably the best thing I use it after I wash the car. I don't use it just to like clean the car or whatever, but this is actually amazing. It's probably one of the best products I've tried in it. Very dirty, this diffuser. I did get it used. It has a couple scuffs like right here. That's pretty much it. Right here has another scuff. I'm just gonna spray it down and clean it real quick. I just sprayed it all around, let it sit for a little bit. Just gonna wipe it down. Wipe down this fin. Alright, so just cleaning this. Try to attempt to push it in, but it clips onto the OEM clips here. Oh my gosh, there you go. All right, so this side is on, clipped in. All right, so, okay.
Bro, you know your tires are bald in the back?
You're recording?
Where's your microphone on this?
Another plus of putting a diffuser on is that you get to check your tires. So, yeah, looks like I need just one tire because the other side doesn't have the wire showing, but this one does. I put one screw here, one here. Clips onto the OEM points, so all these clips are in. Another screw right here. So it's 1, 2, 3. Way easier to install than the front. Yeah, man, this thing looks fucking sick. Look at that. Let me just sit right here. Yup. Let me yup. I could stare at this all day. All right, let me bring the brightness back down. Looks way better. I like it. All right, guys. So that's. All right, guys. So that's the end of this video. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe, man. We're gonna have a lot of new videos. If you haven't yet, check out all our older videos so you can see pretty much what the things that we do or whatever, including this. So more of the videos that are coming up are gonna be videos on my M4 since I have a lot of parts coming in. I'm trying to get it ready for the summer, you know, get it for show season, I guess, a little bit. I want to bring it to a lot of events or whatnot. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up the video, comment, whatever. Your thoughts, if you what you want to see or whatever, you know, give some ideas out and subscribe. So see you guys in the next let's put some B-roll shots of the fucking review real quick. All right, guys, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.